Hey guys, Gaming Boast here, and today is another true and false video, or as I like to call it, Minecraft Buster. So this is one if I shoot an arrow straight up into the sky, will it come down? Like, I never knew this before, so what I've done is I've made a 6x4 room, and I've loaded it with hundreds of cows, and I'm going to test if it does. So on my bow, I have I have punch 1, flame 1, and infinity 1, or punch 2. So I shoot it straight into the sky. Shoot 2, 3. So 1 definitely comes down. So it is confirmed that they do come down if you shoot them straight in the sky. So as you can see, again, I go and shoot it, and it works because it does come down. Kills another cow. So this myth is confirmed. I never knew it. Probably neither any of you guys did. Like, I've tried it, it's never seemed to come down. So yeah, that's going to be very helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We don't accept haters. See ya.